Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I would do something a little bit different, give you guys a break from the normal, makeup tutorials and, blah, 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 whatever. I thought today that maybe I would show you guys how I pack my kit when I'm out doing freelance makeup. Say for, if I have like a wedding party to do or if I'm going to an individual client's house. I thought I would share that information with you guys on my personal makeup kit, what I pack, the items that I bring, things like that. This video would probably be good for those of you who are new into the makeup industry, the beauty industry, and you want to get into freelance and maybe you don't know where to start. You don't know what you should have in your kit. Like, you just completely new. You guys, before we get started, don't forget to hit that notification bell below. Also, too, don't forget to subscribe and share. Subscribe and share. Every time I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. You'll be the first ones to know. Promise. Okay? So when I travel to do freelance, say I have a party of, a wedding party of 10 to 15 people, I'm packing this kit. Even if I go to someone's house, this is the kit that I use. Okay, so as you can see here, I just have a few of my palettes. Palettes are going to be your best friend when you pack your kit. I have a highlight contour palette from MAC. I have a highlight contour palette. Pack that in there. I have lipstick palette, a brown lipstick palette here. Which you can't go wrong with this. See, some of these shades. And these shades, which you can see I put used to. Okay, and then here I have a highlight palette from Morphe. And then I have my mirror, so you guys know what this is. Then I have a second zipper, which is where I have the remaining stuff in my kit. Here you can see I have my brow pencils, stuff like that, lip pencils, got some brow pencils, lip pencils. Right here in the zipper, I keep my sponges and Q-tips in here. Got a Q-tip and sponge. You guys, as you can see, I need to refill that. What else do I have in here? Keep eyelashes in here. Got some lashes there. Need to refill on that. Makeup remover wipes, so important. Running low on that, as you guys can see. Went through 2 packs really quickly. Here are some more lashes. I've cut lashes and refilled them. So I got that. What else is in here? Let's see. And I got some eyeshadow palettes here. Okay, so I got those 2. I just like to bring a variety because you never know. You want to make sure that you never know what type of client you're going to be dealing with. So you want to make sure that you have a variety of everything. You want to make sure that you have that in there. Okay, so that's what I have there. That secures that. I mean, I really love this little travel kit because this kit I purchased from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description box below. Okay, as you can see, I have some concealer palettes here. A couple concealer palettes with correctors. Got these there. I got lipsticks here. Got some lip glosses here. Because some people like lip gloss and lipstick. Some people just like lipstick. Okay, I got random things in here. Eyeshadow that I use for the tear duct. Got another one here. Fluid line eyeliner. I use this in case I have to cut a crease. Something quick. And I got brow gel here. Concealers here, lipstick. More concealers and more lip glosses there. Here I have my face products. I have my Professional Benefit the Professional Matte Rescue Primer. I have my Fix Plus Matte Spray for all you people that are oily, for my oily clients. And then for my clients that are not oily, I have my regular setting spray, and I also have my Tatcha for the people who need moisture. My Tatcha Decent Canvas Primer. I have my setting powders to set the under eyes. I have my translucent powders here. Dust over the eyes so that way I can have a smooth eyeshadow. Got an eyeshadow here. Got some highlighter here. This is my favorite highlighter. And these foundations are based on the last client that I did. She was of a deeper, darker skin tone. So I bought a variation of foundations to use on her. Keep my lash glue in here. Set there. So I got foundations there. Got powders. Of course, you gotta set everything. It's creamy and wet. Of course, you gotta set it. So I have my powders to set, contour, sculpt, all kinds of stuff. My Anastasia Beverly Hills to bronze up. I have my highlighters. Some more highlighters here. You guys can see that. More highlighters. Like you said, you always need to have variety. I have the Master Chrome Molten Topaz 200, and then this is the lighter shade in 100 Molten Gold. So I have these two babies here. You can see them side by side. There. I have some blushes. Actually, the Juvia's Place palettes that I showed you, those are blushes as well, but I use them as eyeshadows too. Just because it's for blush doesn't mean you can only use it for blush. And I have more setting powders. I got mascara, pencil sharpeners, got that, and I have some more matte finish setting sprays. If I am doing a large wedding party, because I do a lot of large wedding parties. What I do is I will pack tons of foundations, as you can see. Let me zoom in. Just tons of foundations. I have my foundation concealer palette, which you can see I've used a lot of. So I have that. Concealer's on this side, and then if you flip it, you can see there's foundation here on this side. Okay, so foundation's here, concealer's here, and I do mix them together, and I can make whatever color I need with this palette. This palette comes in handy. Bobbi Brown, best idea ever to come up with this palette. And I only pack this if I'm doing large parties. That's the only reason I would pack this kit. If I'm doing like parties of 10, 15, and I don't know what, I don't know, I haven't seen the people that I'm doing, so I'll just pack this, and I'm always good to go. So I have that. So the last thing that I have here is my good old trusty backpack. And the last few items that I'm packing in this backpack, of course, typically I would pack my little plate that I would put on my concealers and primers and stuff to mix. Put my little pan here. That will go in the zipper. Okay, and then we'll open up the backpack. What I have in here is my makeup brush holder. Got this here. Opens up, 2-part. So I got my makeup brush holder here. If I'm doing a large party, I'm going to be packing my brush cleaner. Okay, 99% bacteria free, and it smells so good. It smells like bubblegum and lemonade. It smells so good. So I'm packing that. Of course, I'm packing terry cloth towels to get my makeup towels. My makeup brush is super clean quickly and in between as I'm switching out clients. I got some Morphe eyeshadow palettes in here. I got 3 of those in there. Got 3 pallets in there. You can see that. I stuffed that back there. I got my good old Morphe case with my makeup brushes in it. Got that, which I can barely close. I have to take a few out. But I always pack tons of brushes. So those are my brushes. And then I'm always sanitizing and keep it clean. It smells so good. It's a Clorox Scentiva disinfecting wipe in the shade. It's in the scent, not the shade. It's in the scent Pacific Breeze and Coconut, bleach free. Okay, kills 99% of viruses and bacteria. Always pack bacterial wipes, antibacterial pumps, all kinds of stuff. You want to make sure that you're clean at all times. Last thing you want to happen is a client to catch, you know, any type of blisters or anything like that. Blisters in the eye, blisters on the lips. Not a good thing. Okay, so you want to keep these, clean your area, clean your tools, keep everything nice and germ free. So that wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to comment and like below, and then also too, just stay tuned. I have more videos on the way. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.